Hey, what's up? My name is Mr. Gaming. Welcome back to Unravel, which I haven't played in a while, so I'm going to go straight back in and continue where I left off. What was it, 3 videos ago? Because I made a Firewatch and 2 Turnip Boy Commits Activation videos. I had to play it because I found Firewatch and I really like the look of it. And then I was going to go straight back to Unravel, but I then brought Turnip Boy. And come on, I just brought a game. I'm not going to not play a game that I just brought. Down a hole. Here we go, let's see how this goes. So there's some construction going on. No construction. There's something going on. It's not construction. There's a bird. Hey mate. Here's a hole. I'm in a hole. Aha! Down a hole is the name of it. That can't be the reason why it's the name of it, because I started a hole. That doesn't make any sense. Why would that be the reason? I was about to say I thought I was dead for a second, but you know I might as well be. Why does everything want to kill me? I'm gonna die. Where was I meant to get more strength? Oh. I see. What language is that? I do not understand what the language that is, but that is a language. Is that... Wait, that's one of the family members. I need you to get on that. So now I can stand up here. Oh my god, when did this all get here? I can't believe I'm just seeing this. Wow. Now I'm gonna have to make a bridge actually. Yep, let's make a bridge, because I'm not gonna be able to make that swing. Have to make a bridge. Oh! Don't mess it up. It's very easy. Thank you. Oh, I guess I've just gotta... That looks very easy. Ow. Yeah, I can assume that probably did hurt when you hit your head. I thought that was a collectible for a second, but no, it was just a lid on it. Hey! Another one there. Another one here. So now it takes me up here where I can grab that. Now, where do you want me to go? Just keep going this way, I guess. Okay, well I have to use you and you to make a bridge. Which that way I can... No, drop me down. I need to get this up onto that bridge. And I can push you up the bridge. And then that's just give me just about enough elevation to get up. See? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I thought that rock would protect me, but I guess not. Alright, let's try this again. That goes there. Drop down. Push that up. Jump over that. Push that up. There. This is where I got a duck. See how there's a little area for the thing to roll off of. So if I pull that off, run for my life. Oh, or I could do that. No, there's another one. Huh? I got it this time. I'm not gonna mess up. I've got it. Push you up. Push you up. Get up myself. And then let's pull you off. Gotta run for my life. I've got to drop under here. So you should roll right over my head. Then I can just go back up this. And say, fuck you, I did it. Easy as that, simple as that. Oh shit, I got acid in my eyes. That cannot be good. Oh shit, I got acid on my body. That cannot be good. Oh. Oh. No, second time. They do not let me off twice. Jump in acid once, you die. Jump in acid. No, jump in acid once, you might die. Jump in acid twice. A fact. Fuck, I should have stayed on it. I should have stayed on it. Fuck, I should have stayed on it. Fuck. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Please. Ah. It's okay. And there we go, I got that. What's going on down here? How are you still rolling? Maybe this is the way you're actually meant to do it. Because, I can use this to get up to where I am meant to be. Just like this. Now I'm where I'm meant to be. And I'm going to attach you and you to one another. There is something for me to swing on there. Oh, I was able to swing on it for a second. Perfect. Not perfect. I want to make sure we make the full jump, thank you. Perfect. Now we're gonna swing up there, onto you. Nicely lower ourselves down. I thought that thing above me was gonna go on my head. Ah. I can't deserve, I did not deserve that. The fuck do I mean I deserve that? I did not deserve that. That's bullshit if you think I deserve that. Ah, so I see a little container which can take the acid for me, can you? You reckon you know how to fight off acid? Yeah, sure you do, buddy. I don't doubt it one bit. I can get in there. By the way, you 100% cannot fight off acid. That shit will kill you. So, have fun with whatever you're actually going to do in there. So whatever you're doing in there, I know it is not actually fighting off the acid. You are dying, young blood. Slight problem. Don't see where the fuck you want me to go from there. It's fine. If I try really hard, I can figure out. Yo, let me drop down. Thanks. Right. Hang on a fucking minute. Where's my my buddy? Oh, you're in the acid still. Buddy, you're meant to shield me from the acid, not throw me back in it. Splashing all over me. Imagine if that gets in my eyes again. Do you want to deal with the consequences? No, I'll be the one to. So don't fucking splash acid on me, cunt. Oh. Now if I just... then I can get across. Oh, there's also something here. I think I know how to get it. Like... ah, come on. Oh, no, I'm not getting it. Fuck it. I do not need it. We do not care. What's that? What is that? A-okay. Like they always say. I don't think this time. Nah. A-okay. Like they always say. Any That's good, right? I did it. Did what I was supposed to. Okay. Oh god. Where the fuck am I? Why am I here? It's the more important question. Okay. I suspect you're meant to do something, button. If not, then fuck you. What does this do? You hold the button down for me, that's nice. But the button doesn't do anything, so no one cares about it, yeah. But I see, no, I don't know where you're going with this. Where do you want me to go? What do you want from me? Oh, this button actually might do something over here, because there's a wire going from the button to over there. So if I hold that, does that do me any favours? No, but that box might actually be able to help me get up there. Now I see what the button does. Do I? Do I need that button? I don't think I need that button. Wait, what is that? I see something. And activate. I said activate. Wait, no, because if I put the box on there now, I can get up without the box, so use this button now for whatever you use the button for. Stuff. Button's not doing anything now, is it? The fuck? Why is it when I want you to do shit, you don't do anything? Oh! Thank you. Stringy cheese. That doesn't help. Oh, plug that in now. Thank you. This isn't chopped by a string. I mean, you can if you want, I don't really need that bit anymore. What is this memory? He is... I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something. Okay, well, I'm gonna need you two. You three. And conveniently placed construction hat for me. Thank you. I can use this to carry on with my epic adventure to no man's land. Get there. That's not far enough. Still not far enough. Thank you. Please. Ah! Ah, you cheeky bugger. Oh, you little... Oh. Let's take these. That's all I need. I don't need any more of that. Oh, and it does nothing. Yeah, fuck you too. Okay. Whoa! I feel like I just got a lot more string, right? Thank you. Tie that there. Tie that there. Is this very bouncy? Or is it just bouncy? This is mucho bouncy, but if I move you over here, Jesus, this has been useful for all levels. Use this to get up pretty much anything. As long as this fucking shovel gets out of the way. Use this to get up pretty much anything. Fuck you! Hey! Shovel. You know your mum doesn't even love you. Okay, so maybe this isn't the way. I feel like they've made that the perfect height and everything, so that it's not the way. Ah! If I step on this, is it gonna flip? Because it looks like it's a switch. No, didn't flip. So it looks like there's some thread here, so we're going the right way. Now let's see. No, that is not the right way. Ah, it looks like we've got to go inside of the machinery. Like this. Woo. Okay, I did it that time. Okay, well, I've got to pull you now. Oopsies. Now can I pull you? That was actually pretty helpful, thank you for that. I'm just gonna leave now if you don't mind, because I do not want to be held responsible for this damage. Thank you dearly. Now I know what you're for. I can use you to get over the digger. Ah. Hey, quick question. What rhymes with digger? Just gonna give you a second. The answers are trigger, figure, and... Whoa. Oh, and then that's the end. I got a spot. Don't you dare. Don't. Fuck! What do you mean? What do you mean I completed it? I didn't get the thingy. I didn't get it. It got taken. It got taken. It got stolen. I don't have it. It's not in my presence. Yes, I'm going over to check if it's there. Is it there or not? Was it the butterfly? Okay, let me see. Down in a hole, they claim to be saviors and they say that we'll starve without them. Our young do need work, but these people's promise make no sense. How can you... I can't read this handwriting. How can you save a place by destroying it? Oh wait, no. Wrong paper. We gotta go forwards. Looks like there's a bunch of police. There's a bunch of riots. Oh, shit. There's a lot of these look AI generated, and then I'm assuming the worker was one of the family. That worker was one of the family members. Yeah, and then we got all these. So these are first episode. I said they were electro. And that was the 4th episode. I finally realised it's the photos we have to discover. We haven't discovered them yet. Anyways, that's a wrap for Unravel Part 4. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm not going to 100% guarantee Unravel 5 next episode because, come on, Turnip Boy Commits Tag Evasions, Unmatchable, and Firewatch. I only made 1 episode on that. Like, Unravel's got 4 now, Turnip Boy's got 2, and Firewatch has got 1. Why are we bullying Firewatch? We need to play more Firewatch. But I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.